shit hurt. Ow. Alright, we're good. You can kill it.
All of a sudden, there's a sudden light in the distance.
I don't even know where all the fuel is.
You're holding that canister over flames.
Yeah, don't hold the Bunsen over the burner, baby. Oh, yeah, there she goes.
Oh, dude, that stinks.
Yeah, it's gonna be smoky as fuck.
Let's take a closer look.
I'm gonna take my laser head.
What you gotta say
Oh,
about
shit.
that? What you gotta say? Oh my god! Oh, holy fuck!
That's what you get for putting a bunch
shit.
of gas in there.
I felt the fuck out of that, dude.
What the fuck just happened?
We just made napalm.